Hi guys, Frank here from Build Your Own. Look at the shine on this 1994 Chevy Cheyenne C 1500. Look at this paint. Look at this paint. Wow. You know what? I just got done using the G9 Orbital Correct and Protect kit, and man, this paint came out amazing. There is not a swirl mark down this paint. It just looks amazing. This truck's 26 years old. It's an old farm truck, and this truck looks better than most cars on the road. This paint already looked good. I'll put up a video to a video where I actually polished this truck up for the first time, and I just used some cheap stuff, a cheap buffer, just some Meguiar's compound, and it actually came out pretty good. But if I was being honest, the truck wasn't perfect. There were some swirl marks in it and stuff like that. So I ended up getting this whole Griot's Garage G9 Random Orbital Polisher Correct Finish combo. So the paint just came out flawless, just like they promised. Let me show you the kit. Okay, so here's the whole kit. It's super cool. This is the G9 Random Orbital Polisher. So it has an all new design. It came with the actual polisher itself, and then like I said, I got the kit. So it came with this complete compound, the Best of Show wax, speed shine, which I already use, and it came with a couple of pads. It came with this yellow pad, and it came with a red pad. And what's cool is on the back of the box, there's a paint assessment guide, and it tells you what pads and waxes to use, even tells you what speed to use on the buffer. So as you can see, I use the yellow pad. And it says the yellow pads for light blemishes, removal of fine swirls, scuffs, light stains. It does actually work. It did remove some stains around the gas fill cap and on the paint right there. So that worked great. After I used this yellow pad with the complete compound, then I used the Best of Show wax with the red pad, and it just laid down the wax so thin, and it came off so nicely. I just am so happy with the way that this truck came out. It already looked good, and now it just looks incredible. Oh, you know what? I actually popped for the PFM microfiber upgrade option, which is why I got these microfiber towels, because it's important to have the right towels, and so these towels are great. This one tells you that this is the wax removal towels. I use those. Detailing towels. This really awesome huge terry weave towel. I didn't use that yet. And this is super cool. If you've ever clayed a car, I've clayed many. This is some synthetic clay. This is interesting. I haven't used it. It's still closed, but I'm gonna give it a shot. This truck is buttery smooth. So it doesn't need to be clayed. But next time I have to clay a car, I'll definitely do that. Another cool thing that came with this is this guide, like how to create the flawless paint and all that. It's super easy, little 5-step process. And again, you've got the advanced paint care options. And I'm gonna go ahead and laminate this because it's super cool. I always wanna have it. And so I can laminate it, it'll always last forever. And then, yeah, I can always get a shine as good as this. All right, guys, not much else to say. This was my review of the G9 Orbital Correct and Protect kit on my 1994 Chevy Cheyenne C 1500. The results speak for themselves. This is a 26-year-old truck, and the paint just came out amazing. Hopefully this camera does it some justice. I mean, it's even super clean and shiny up on the roof. It just looks really, really nice. Good looking old truck. I had to say that myself. So yeah, on that note, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. If you found this quick review of the G9 buffer pad or buffer combo, polisher combo, helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Other than that, I'm gonna tell you to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the very next video.